It's box opening day today. Just got this in from Blackjack Anime. So I've been searching online for some action figures, anime of course, to use as references to build cosplays. I have a lot of friends that actually do cosplays from Dragon Ball Z and My Hero, Demon Slayer. So I started watching it and I started really getting into it. And I don't have any anime cosplays, so started searching online and trying to find some figures. I came across some really crappy anime sites, but I found this one, Blackjack Anime. So let's open it up. See what we got here. Okay, open. All right, what do we got? Yeah, look at that, bukgo. Oh, damn. Gotta open this up. Let's check this out. Oh, look at that. Little thank you note. Artists. Amazing. All right. Here we go. All right. Let's see what we got. Ooh-wee. Love the details in this. It's coming together. Who we got here? Now see, that would be an amazing cosplay. See, it's figures like this that help a cosplayer build stuff. Ooh. On you go. All right, look at that. Crazy cool. How's that look? Definitely a perfect figure to use as a reference to build a cosplay. Ta-da! And there he lays to rest in front of my computer. Looks awesome. So if you want to get some cool anime merchandise, some good figures, give them a try. Check them out. You can go on their Instagram at blackjack_anime or check them online at bjanime.com. Maybe they'll draw you a little figure too.